Have you ever noticed how nighttime feels different now than it did years ago? The house is quiet, your body finally slows down, yet your mind keeps replaying memories, worries, or that strange fog that wasn't there before. Maybe your vision feels a little blurrier at night, lights seem harsher, or reading small text before bed has become harder. Many seniors believe this is just aging and nothing can be done. But what if I told you that the hours while you sleep are actually your brain and eye's most powerful repair window, and what you eat before bed can quietly decide how well that repair happens? Doctors have long known that the brain does most of its rebuilding at night. Nerve cells clean up waste, memory pathways strengthen, and damaged tissues begin to heal. The eyes also rely on nighttime repair, especially the retina and optic nerve. But here's the secret many people never hear. Without enough protein, this repair process slows down dramatically. Protein provides the amino acids your brain and eyes use like building blocks. And the good news is you don't need expensive supplements or fancy superfoods. Some of the most effective protein sources are also the cheapest foods in your kitchen. Let's start with a food many seniors overlook because it feels too simple to matter: cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly throughout the night. That means while you sleep, your body receives a steady supply of amino acids instead of a quick spike that disappears. Casein feeds brain cells that are repairing communication pathways, helping with memory, focus, and mental clarity. It also supplies key amino acids that support the tiny muscles and nerves around the eyes, helping reduce nighttime dryness and morning blur. A small bowl before bed can keep your brain nourished for hours, quietly working while you rest. Another powerful but inexpensive option is boiled eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete protein sources available, containing all essential amino acids. They are especially rich in choline, a nutrient critical for brain signaling and memory formation. As you sleep, choline helps rebuild neurotransmitters that support clear thinking and recall. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, compounds that concentrate in the retina and protect your eyes from oxidative stress. Eating 1 or 2 boiled eggs in the evening gives your body the raw materials it needs to support sharper thinking and stronger vision overnight. Now let's talk about lentils, a budget-friendly food many seniors grew up eating but may have drifted away from. Lentils provide plant-based protein along with iron, folate, and magnesium. These nutrients help oxygen reach brain tissue more efficiently and support nerve repair. During sleep, your brain relies on proper blood flow to deliver nutrients to areas being rebuilt. Lentils also help stabilize blood sugar, which is critical because nighttime glucose spikes can damage delicate eye vessels. A small serving of cooked lentils in the evening can quietly support steady energy, better sleep quality, and improved eye health. Another underrated nighttime protein is plain Greek yogurt. Unlike sugary flavored yogurts, plain Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics. The protein supports nighttime tissue repair, while probiotics improve gut health. Why does that matter for your brain and eyes? Because your gut influences inflammation throughout the body. Lower inflammation means less stress on brain cells and less damage to the retina. Greek yogurt also contains calcium and vitamin B12, which help nerves transmit signals efficiently. A half cup before bed can help calm the nervous system and promote deeper, more restorative sleep. The final food in today's list may surprise you because it's often seen as breakfast food, not bedtime food: peanut butter. Natural peanut butter is rich in plant protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant that protects brain cells and eye tissues from oxidative damage. The healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble nutrients that support vision, while the protein provides amino acids for nighttime repair. A spoonful of peanut butter on a small piece of whole grain toast can keep you satisfied and nourished through the night without spiking blood sugar. Here's something important many seniors don't realize. Eating protein before bed doesn't mean eating a heavy meal. In fact, large meals late at night can disrupt sleep. The key is a small protein-focused snack eaten about 1 hour before bed. This timing allows digestion to begin without overworking your system. When your body enters deep sleep, amino acids are already circulating, ready to be used for repair. Over time, seniors who consistently include protein before bed often notice subtle but meaningful changes. Morning brain fog becomes less intense. Remembering names and words feels easier. Nighttime eye dryness improves. Vision feels a bit clearer upon waking. These changes don't happen overnight, but they build gradually as your body finally gets the materials it needs to repair itself properly. In the next, we'll explore how combining protein with specific bedtime habits can dramatically boost these benefits. And I'll share a few mistakes many seniors make at night that silently block brain and eye repair, even if they're eating the right foods. If this information already surprised you, make sure you're ready for what's coming next, because it could change how you think about sleep forever. If you're eating the right protein foods before bed but still waking up tired, foggy, or with strained eyes, there's a reason. Protein alone is powerful, but how your body uses it at night depends heavily on your evening habits. Many seniors unknowingly block the very repair process they're trying to support. Once you understand what helps and what hurts nighttime healing, those cheap protein foods become far more effective. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make in the evening is pairing protein with too much sugar. Sweet desserts, flavored yogurts, cookies, or sweetened drinks cause blood sugar spikes right before bed. When blood sugar rises sharply, insulin surges, and your body shifts into storage mode instead of repair mode. This interferes with growth hormone release, a hormone that plays a major role in brain cell regeneration and eye tissue repair during sleep. Even healthy-sounding snacks like sweet cereal or honey-heavy foods can quietly sabotage nighttime healing. Another common problem is eating protein too late. When protein is eaten right before lying down, digestion competes with sleep. Instead of focusing on brain cleanup and nerve repair, your body stays busy breaking down food. This can lead to lighter sleep, more nighttime awakenings, and less time spent in deep sleep phases where repair happens. The ideal window is about 60 to 90 minutes before bed, allowing digestion to begin while still supporting overnight amino acid delivery. Let's talk about hydration, because it matters more than most people realize. Mild dehydration thickens blood and slows nutrient delivery to the brain and eyes. During sleep, your body relies on smooth circulation to deliver amino acids, oxygen, and antioxidants to areas being repaired. Drinking a glass of water earlier in the evening, not right at bedtime, helps maintain circulation without causing nighttime bathroom trips. This simple habit can enhance the benefits of protein without adding any cost. Now let's look at another cheap but powerful protein source that works especially well at night: chickpeas. Chickpeas are affordable, filling, and rich in protein and vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps your body convert amino acids into neurotransmitters like serotonin and melatonin, which regulate mood and sleep. Better sleep means longer periods of deep rest, giving your brain and eyes more time to repair. Chickpeas also contain zinc, which supports retinal health and immune defense in eye tissues. Another overlooked option is canned tuna, especially when eaten in small amounts at night. Tuna is rich in lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s support brain cell membranes, improving communication between neurons. They also reduce inflammation in the eyes, protecting the retina from age-related damage. Tuna is inexpensive, widely available, and easy to prepare. A small portion with a few crackers or vegetables provides protein without heaviness. Let's address a concern many seniors have. Some worry that eating protein at night will cause weight gain. In reality, protein is the least likely macronutrient to be stored as fat when eaten in reasonable amounts. Protein increases satiety, stabilizes blood sugar, and supports muscle maintenance, which actually helps metabolism. Seniors who avoid protein at night often experience muscle loss, weaker balance, and slower brain function over time. A modest protein snack supports health without adding excess calories. Sleep environment also plays a surprising role in how well protein supports repair. Exposure to bright lights, television screens, or phones suppresses melatonin, the hormone that signals your body to enter repair mode. Without melatonin, amino acids from protein are less effectively used for tissue rebuilding. Dimming lights, avoiding screens for at least 30 minutes before bed, and creating a calm environment allows your body to fully use the nutrients you've eaten. Another quiet blocker of nighttime repair is alcohol. Even small amounts of alcohol in the evening disrupt sleep architecture and reduce time spent in deep sleep. Alcohol also dehydrates the body and increases inflammation, counteracting the benefits of protein. Seniors who eliminate alcohol at night often notice clearer thinking, better sleep, and less eye irritation within weeks. Now let's talk about something positive you can add that costs nothing: breathing. Slow, deep breathing before bed activates the parasympathetic nervous system, shifting your body into repair mode. When your nervous system is calm, blood flow improves to the brain and eyes. This enhances nutrient delivery from the protein you've eaten. Just 5 minutes of slow breathing can make a measurable difference in sleep quality. Consistency matters more than perfection. Eating a protein-rich snack before bed once or twice won't transform your health. But making it a nightly habit trains your body to expect nutrients during its repair window. Over weeks, this consistency leads to stronger neural connections, improved memory retention, and better visual clarity. Many seniors report fewer nighttime awakenings and more refreshed mornings simply by maintaining this routine. As the brain repairs itself, it clears out metabolic waste that contributes to cognitive decline. Protein supports the enzymes involved in this cleanup process. Meanwhile, the eyes benefit from improved circulation and reduced oxidative stress. This is why seniors often notice both mental and visual improvements together, not separately. In the next, we'll bring everything together. I'll show you how to build a simple, affordable bedtime routine using these protein foods, how to rotate them through the week, and what subtle signs tell you your brain and eyes are responding. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn sleep into your body's most powerful healing tool. By now you understand something most people are never told. Sleep is not just rest, it is active repair. And protein before bed is not about eating more, but about giving your body the right tools at the right time. In this final part, let's put everything together in a way that feels simple, affordable, and realistic for everyday senior life. The first step is choosing one protein food per night, not all of them. Your body does best with variety spread across the week. One night might be cottage cheese. Another night could be eggs. Another could be lentils or chickpeas. Rotating protein sources ensures your brain and eyes receive a wide range of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. This variety supports different repair pathways instead of overloading just one. A simple weekly rotation could look like this. On Monday, a small bowl of cottage cheese. Tuesday, 1 or 2 boiled eggs. Wednesday, lentils or chickpeas. Thursday, Greek yogurt. Friday, canned tuna. Saturday, peanut butter on whole grain toast. Sunday, your favorite from the week. There is no strict rule. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Portion size matters. Seniors often think more is better, but that's not true at night. A serving of protein roughly the size of your palm is enough. This provides sufficient amino acids without stressing digestion. Overeating late can interrupt sleep and cancel out the benefits. Keep it light, calm, and intentional. Now let's talk about timing in a practical way. Finish your protein snack about 1 hour before bed. Use that hour to relax, dim the lights, and prepare for sleep. This creates a signal to your body that repair time is coming. Over time, your circadian rhythm becomes stronger, and your sleep becomes deeper and more restorative. As you follow this routine, your body will give you subtle signs that it's working. One of the first signs many seniors notice is improved sleep depth. You may fall asleep faster or wake up fewer times during the night. Another sign is mental clarity in the morning. You may feel less foggy, less scattered, and more focused during conversations. Some people notice better word recall or sharper memory within a few weeks. Vision changes are often quieter, but meaningful. Morning eye dryness may decrease. Reading may feel slightly easier. Light sensitivity may soften. These changes happen gradually because eye tissues repair slowly. But over months, consistent nighttime nutrition can help protect vision and slow age-related decline. It's important to manage expectations. These foods do not replace medical care or cure disease, but they support your body's natural repair systems, which is something everyone benefits from, especially as we age. Think of protein before bed as maintenance, not magic. There are a few final mistakes to avoid. Skipping protein because you had a large dinner earlier in the evening is one. Dinner protein is often used for immediate energy and muscle function. Nighttime protein serves a different purpose. Another mistake is relying on protein powders or bars filled with artificial sweeteners. Whole foods are better tolerated, more affordable, and provide additional nutrients your brain and eyes need. If chewing is difficult, choose softer options like yogurt, cottage cheese, or mashed lentils. If appetite is low at night, even half a serving is better than none. Listen to your body, not rigid rules. Stress deserves special attention. Chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone that blocks repair and damages brain and eye tissues over time. Even the best diet cannot overcome constant stress. Creating a peaceful bedtime routine is just as important as the food itself. Gentle music, prayer, reading, or quiet reflection can all help lower stress hormones and improve sleep quality. Movement during the day also enhances nighttime repair. Light walking or stretching improves circulation, making it easier for nutrients to reach the brain and eyes during sleep. You don't need intense exercise. Gentle daily movement is enough. As you age, your body becomes more sensitive to what you do consistently. Small habits repeated daily have a bigger impact than big changes done occasionally. Protein before bed is one of those small habits with outsized benefits. Many seniors are surprised to learn that brain decline and vision loss are not always inevitable. While aging changes the body, how fast those changes happen depends greatly on daily choices. Nutrition, sleep, and routine all work together. When they align, your body becomes remarkably resilient. If you've struggled with memory lapses, nighttime restlessness, or subtle vision decline, this approach gives you a sense of control. You're not fighting your body, you're supporting it. Tonight, instead of reaching for a sweet snack or skipping food altogether, try one simple protein choice. Eat it calmly, give your body time, then let sleep do what it was designed to do. Over the coming weeks, pay attention to small improvements. Healing rarely announces itself loudly. It whispers through better mornings, clearer thoughts, steadier energy, and quieter eyes. Your brain and vision have supported you for decades. This is one simple, affordable way to support them back, every single night.